All right, I just finished filming the assembly. This made 2 each of 4 different designs, and it took me 19 minutes. So here's the first one. Super quick and easy to do. Here's the second one. And I feel like the bubbles on here, like they put that sequin on top of the bubbles. Oh, I missed a sequin up there. Can't ever have too many sequins. Maybe. I like it up there. So this is interesting to me, how different these sequins look when they're placed on white background or placed on the yellow background. And did you see what happened when it was on the black background? Here's this card. And I missed the sequins on here too. I better go back and put them on. Look what happens on the black background. They look green to match the green up in here. All right, I need to go back and put the sequins on this one. But I just wanted to show you something about the supplies, because you always end up with extra supplies. I've made half the cards, right? 2 each of 4 different designs, and I have 4 more card bases over there, so I could make 1 more of each of these. There were 2 of the diamond-shaped labels. I have 3 left over. There were, we used up 2 of the white labels. I have 4 left over. So I used up 1, 2, 3 of the black strips and 1 big one. So here's left over for the next set of cards. 1, 2, 3 black strips. I'm going to have 2 left over. Plus, I've got another whole sheet. They give you extra parts. I don't know, I might run out of sequins because I tend to use a lot of sequins. So to make half the cards, I used up 1 of my sheets, but I still have 1, 2, 3, 4 of these sheets left over. So I've got a lot of extra parts that I can use. And they showed me putting on an extra set of leaves on there, which I didn't do because I thought I was going to run out until I realized I had extra of these sheets. So guys, I'm going to have total fun playing and making up extra stuff. Paper pumpkin kits. This is like a whole little subculture of stamping. So you need to subscribe because it's fun. You're just paying 20 bucks. You spend 20 bucks to go out to eat a month. Well, before the pandemic you did. You'd spend 20 bucks to go to the movies for one night. So spend 20 bucks, 22 bucks, okay? $22 a month, and you get this box. You get a cute little stamp set that you get to keep. And then you can enter the subculture. There's a whole website out there. There's a whole Facebook group that's devoted just to using up all the extra parts and showing people all the super cool, cute stuff that they did with all the extra parts that you get in your kit. There will be a link above for you to subscribe or contact me if you've got any questions. And extra parts, I'm not throwing this away because I think I'm going to come back and sponge around that hole and use this as a stencil and see if I can make a lemon that way. All right, talk to you later, guys. Bye.